Hello students, welcome back our series on determinants. In this video, we shall solve some problems on determinant where we use different properties of determinant. So where we have a given determinant and show that this determinant equals to 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. Firstly, let us consider del equals to these determinants. Now before the expand, we need to reduce the determinant to simplest form as possible. So here we shall try to introduce zeros at as many places as possible, keeping in mind that we have to introduce the factor 1 plus a square plus b square. So here we need this factor. So what are our operation? So here we can take an operation along C1. C1 dash equals to C1 minus BC3 along C2. So C2 that's equals to C2 minus C2 plus AC3. So this becomes along C1 dash, we use this operation. So 1 plus a square means C1 minus BC3. So this minus b into this. So this becomes 1 plus a square plus b square. Here 2ab minus b into 2a. So this equal to 0. And this becomes b into 2b minus b into this. So b into 1 plus a square plus b square. In the second column, this means C2 plus a into C3. So 2ab plus a into minus 2ab. So this equals to 0. And this becomes C2 plus a into C3. So 1 plus a square plus b square. And here minus 2a plus a into this. So minus a into 1 plus a square plus b square. Okay. The third column remain same. Okay. Now we see that here in the first column, in the second column, the factor is common. So by using property, we can take common 1 plus a square plus b square from first column and second column. So whole square. And the determinant becomes 1 0 minus 2b 0 1 2a b minus a 1 minus square b square. We will write this operation C1 dash BC3 C2 dash C2 plus AC3. Now again we take an operation along R3. R3 dash R3 dash equal R3 minus BR1 plus AR2 So this determinant becomes 1 plus a square plus b square and 1 0. So this operation we use it R3 along R3. So this means b minus b into a plus a into this. So this equal 0. The second column 0 1 and here minus a into minus b into R1 and plus a into R2. So this becomes 0 and here minus 2b minus 2a and this becomes 1 plus a square b square. So clearly here 0 is occurred in different place. Now we can expand easily this determinant. Now we can expand this determinant along C1. So this becomes 1 plus a square plus b square so along C1 this means 1 into this, so 1 plus a square plus b square minus 0 and the remaining part is 0. So 1 plus a square plus b square into 1 plus a square plus b square. So this equal 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube is proved.